All right, here we go. The crowdfunded Spawn, the second crowdfund that Mcfarlane has done for Spawn. This is one I actually went for, obviously, because I kind of low-key wish I had went for the first crowdfund, but you know, it was just like I just don't believe in these big companies, Mcfarlane being his own big company, doing crowdfunds. I just don't believe in that shit. But I went on ahead and bit the bullet and decided to get this one. So wanted to get it out the box, do a quick unboxing of this guy. Well, not, yeah, I guess this isn't unboxing. And then I'll probably proceed to shoot the review. But I do these unboxings not necessarily to post online or on my YouTube page, but I do it just so that if there's any issues when I open the box and when I decide to return it, if I decide to return it, they understand why and that it was no fault of my own that things were damaged. It came like that. So, but this box does look really cool. I do like that. And trust me, please believe, and if you've watched my videos at all, you already know that I believe, this looks like a shoebox almost. I believe that most Mcfarlane toys are garbage. I really only like the Spawn line, and most of those are garbage. I would say 90% of the DC stuff, 95% of the DC stuff is garbage. So we got the Masterworks certificate of authentication. All right, looks like we got all the, looks like we do have all the accessories. I went with the blue one, I think. I believe I went with the blue one. But yeah, this looks pretty good. This looks pretty damn good. Looks like I got everything that I was supposed to. So that's good. I do like this packaging. This packaging is absolutely gorgeous. This is what I expect from a Kickstarter for a figure that should have been $25 that you end up paying $85 for after shipping. I expect this kind of presentation. I definitely expect this kind of presentation. So this is absolutely gorgeous. I do love that, but everything looks good to me. I will leave it at that for the unboxing, and you guys can see the rest in the review. Peace.